Get some pre-made dough. Any kind of pizza dough will do. Brown up whatever kind of meat you want or sausage. Grate your cheese. This is important. You must grate your cheese. Don't use pre-grated cheese. Now add any kind of vegetable you want. Onions, peppers, mushrooms, whatever you like, add it. Don't forget to add fresh garlic and spices and herbs like Italian seasoning, oregano, just whatever you think. Some ground Parmesan. Add those to it. This will help it. And also season your vegetables and meat. That's going to help also. I do not like to cook my onions all the way, so I add them last. I don't put them in the saute. If you don't like your onions crunchy, then saute them with the meat. They're going to cook as you cook this stromboli because it's going to take about 25 minutes. Important step, use the cornmeal and the garlic salt on your base, on your little cookie sheet or whatever you're cooking it in. Spread that dough out in a long rectangle, fill it up, and then fold it over. Do exactly like I did. Flip it over. Don't forget to cut your vent holes. Cook it for 25 minutes on 425 or 450. Watch it towards the end, and love it when it gets brown and gooey and so delicious. Hey, check out more of my great food ideas and easy recipes on delicious feel-good foods and recipes on YouTube. I'll see you guys over there.